we are here with Jamie from Cadex Defense. He's going to be going over the new PRS rifle chassis system that they just came out with. And honestly, guys, this is kind of up my alley, and especially with the color, black and red. You guys all know that's my two favorite colors. So I'm going to leave this over to Jamie so he can explain this new chassis to you guys.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll start at the butt and go towards the tip.
Okay.
So basically our goal this year was to come up with a new PRS gun, highly adjustable. We wanted to make sure that it would fit anybody from massive to tiny. You know, you got the family. We want the kids shooting too. So if you can adjust it to suit as many shooters as possible, that's a good thing. So what we did at the butt is we went tool free. On the fly, everything is based on throw levers. So we got a cantilever that adjusts your length of pull. We've got a throw lever on the opposite side that is your cheek riser height. We've got a folder for traveling. This grip module will actually move forward and back 3/8 of an inch. Wow. So what we wanted is we wanted a vertical grip that was comfortable without feeling like a beer can, you know, paint roll or something massive. So now you can actually get a good trigger placement, finger placement, I should say, by adjusting it the way you want. We've got thumb rests on both sides. Our trigger is adjustable as well, and if you max out your adjustment forward, you can actually reverse the flat trigger shoe and gain 1/4 of an inch. So you can be a pretty massive hand and still get on this.
Very nice.
The next thing we did was focus on balance. We wanted everything to be balanced. So the rifle, as it sits, its natural balance point is about 1 inch in front of the barricade slot. So if you're running any barricade bags, this thing is going to balance out just fine. If you're a weight addict, we can add 10 pounds of weight in our chassis weights. So if you want to get this gun up to mass, you can actually do that. We've got a clip-on in the back that will take up to 1.5 pounds, and the rest of the weight will go into the front. External and external weights.
Very nice. I do like how you guys have the integrated Arca Swiss rail and the M-LOK on the side, and the Cassini rail in the back. You guys can actually put an adjustable bag rider on there for long jump.
We also have that as well. So on our Arca rail, we actually have, let's see if we can get it in here. It is a machined-in Arca rail with our Arca Elite System. So it's basically a recoil lug system that will tie in. It's on the inside of the rail. It says the outside. It's kind of a cleaner finish.
Now, how many inches is the forearm here?
17. So you've got 17 inches of usable.
Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot more than most companies do, actually.
Yes. The other thing too is the mag catch for the rimfire shooters. If you're only buying the chassis, generally the issue has been magazines. So the mag catch is adjustable up and down as well.
Okay, now are you guys going to offer this in like the 700 platform?
Yes. Right now this is 700 footprint, short action only for now. Anyways, we'll see how it goes from there.
Awesome. Now, how many colors are you guys offering this in?
Oh my God, a lot. We've got a lot. If I had to guess right now, all the colors that we have. Red and blue is the newest colors. We've got NRA blue and USMC red.
Very nice.
That's our new colors this year.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching.